Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a product that promises to make pool cleaning a breeze. This is a rechargeable pool vacuum from Yousky. It's a cordless, lightweight vacuum that is designed for all kinds of pool, above ground, in-ground, spa, and even hot tubs. The company sent this product to me so I can talk about its features, and also they would like me to do an underwater demo on this product for you. So let's open the box and let's see what's inside. Inside the box, you'll have your user manual, and also it comes with an extended warranty, so make sure to register your product within 15 days of purchase so that you can take advantage of that 12-month warranty for your product. It also comes with the telescoping pole. This thing will allow you to have a reach from 20 inches to 69 inches. It also comes with a vacuum nozzle brush. This is gonna help you to clean those hard to reach areas. And you also have the large vacuum brush head for your pool floor. It also comes with an extra filter bag, so you already have one installed in your vacuum and you got another one for a spare. And this is your vacuum body, and then you'll have your charging cable. So this charging cable will fit into the back of your vacuum. This is fully waterproof. This vacuum is very easy to assemble. To replace the filter, you just want to twist this and then pull the filter out and put a new filter back in, and then you just want to put this thing back in. To put the vacuum head, all you need to do is snap it in place. So I just want to go ahead and push this thing here and let it snap. Okay, to attach your handle, all you need to do is put this thing right here and push it in place and let it snap. And now you have a reach of up to 69 inches. The good thing about this is a standard size pole, so I can actually use my longer pole on this one. So that's what I'm gonna do since I have a large pool. Okay, so this is what I have, and this thing have a reach of up to 15 foot. Okay, so just gonna replace that with this. Now I can reach up to 15 feet when I'm vacuuming. So let's go ahead and test this out in my pool so you can see it in action. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this thing to test. So let's go ahead and vacuum my pool floor since I haven't cleaned this for a while. So as you can see, the vacuum have powerful suction. This little powerhouse is designed to tackle everything from fine dust particles to larger debris like leaves and even small rock that are in your pool floor. So let me go ahead and throw some rocks there, see if I can clean it up. So you can see right now it picks up all the rocks easily. So the next pros on this is it has a durable and long running time. This vacuum boasts a solid 45 minutes of runtime on a single 2.5-hour charge. And my favorite part has to be the cordless design and the telescopic pole. And you can see here right now, this is using a standard pole. So I was able to use my 15-foot pole. So this is going to let me reach all my pool in a single area. So this makes cleaner a lot faster. So let me show you now how much dirt it was able to accumulate. So you just have to twist this to unlock, and this is all the dirt that I was able to capture for just vacuuming for about 15 minutes. Look at that. Overall, this handheld pool vacuum is a fantastic tool that will simplify your pool maintenance. It's very efficient, user-friendly and a great investment for anyone who wants to spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your water. If you're interested in checking out the Yousky handheld pool vacuum, I'll leave a link to the product page in the description below. How about you? What are your thoughts on handheld pool vacuums? If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and pool maintenance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.